So come to the next classification. Next is our benzyl alcohol. Okay. In haloalkane haloarine, we have discussed about the benzylic group. Benzylic group means in haloalkane and haloarine, suppose this is our benzene ring. In this benzene ring, one more carbon is attached with the benzene ring, and with that carbon the halogen group is attached. That means the halogen group is not directly attached with the benzene ring. This is known as benzyl. If it is directly attached, then this is known as phenyl. Remember, like this in alcohol, we can take the example. Directly I am writing 1 degree. You remember how to calculate the degree? You have already discussed. Suppose it is H2C OH. This OH is not directly attached with the benzene ring. OH is attached with the carbon which is connected to the benzene ring. And here this carbon, this is the main carbon. Why? As the OH group is attached with this carbon, and this carbon is connected with only one carbon. In this position one carbon is present. So it is 1 degree benzylic alcohol. And what is the IUPAC name? You can write. It is, now your benzene ring is the substituent. Main chain is this one. Okay. As alcohol is attached with this carbon, so this carbon is the main chain carbon, and your benzene ring is substituent. When your benzene ring becomes substituent, the name of benzene ring is phenyl. Okay. And the position is 1, so it is 1 phenyl and 1 carbon, so methane, 1 all. In the first position the alcohol is present, so 1 all. In the alcohol, the IUPAC name we write all. Like this, come to the 2 degree. In the 2 degree, it is the benzene ring. In the benzene ring attached with carbon, and OH is attached with the carbon. It is now your 2 degree. Why it is 2 degree? OH connected to the carbon is connected with 2 carbons. It is 1 carbon and it is the second carbon. In this position 1 carbon is present. So it is known as 2 degree. Now this is our main chain, main carbon chain. So it is 1 position and it is 2 position. In the first position both the benzene and OH attached. So the IUPAC name of this one is 1 phenyl, ethane, 2 carbons are there in the main chain, so ethane, 1 all. Here see, in the methane and ethane I am not writing the E. You can remember from the standard 11, if OL is present, then we have to simply deduct the E. Remember this one. Therefore I am not writing the E. Now come to the 3 degree. So here this one is the main carbon. Suppose it is CH3, it is C2H5, here it is OH. Now see, this one is the main carbon, and this carbon attached with 3 carbons, 1, 2 and 3. In this position 1 carbon is present. So it is 3 degree. Now we have to number this one from any side. So we can number from this side only, 1, 2, 3, 4. We cannot give 1 this side, as in this side 2 carbons are present. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then alcohol is getting 3 number. If you will start from this side, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 3, 4. C2 is present, 2 carbons. So in this position alcohol is getting the lowest locant number, that is 2. Therefore we have to take from this side only. So what is the IUPAC name now? See, in the second position benzene ring is also present. In the second position alcohol is also present. So 2 phenyl butane 2 all. Okay. So this is about the benzyl group. Now come to the vinyl alcohol or vinyl group. Vinyl group generally it is sp2 hybridized carbon. Okay. You can remember the vinyl group from the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Remember, suppose 2 carbons are there, double bond carbon. The halogen is directly attached with the double bond carbon. Then this is known as vinylic. In the allylic, it is attached with the next carbon of double bond carbon. It is allylic. But in vinylic, it is directly attached with the double bond carbon. And C, we have to see the hybridization of this carbon. So hybridization of this carbon is sp2 hybridization. We can write like this. In case of alcohol, what we can write? Suppose two carbons are there. It is CH, OH, tetravalency satisfied. Here H2, tetravalency satisfied. Now see, this is our vinylic. And what is the name? Here eth 1 in. In the first position, double bond is present. Therefore, eth 1 in. We cannot write ethane. It is double bond, ethene. And in the first position, alcohol is also present. So 1 all. Okay. In this way, we can classify the alcohols. In the next video, we will discuss about phenol and ether.